because it's a Distillery Channel unboxing. Did you know that?
Yeah. We going?
Not yet. Now we are.
Are we on?
Yes, we are.
Are we live?
Yes.
I gotta hang up the banana phone. Hello? Hello? Hello?
I think they hung up on
Bryson? Bryson? Oh, he hung up? Bryson! Bryson! Dang it! We were waiting all week for that. Operator! Operator!
We gotta introduce.
Did you reconnect?
We
You
hung
can't
up
reconnect? It's disconnected. Oh, he didn't pay his bill. That's too bad. Call collect next time. Talk to you later. You know, when I get these phone calls, you gotta take it, Miss Kira.
Sorry.
We got this exciting thing going on here.
I know. I think we need to introduce ourselves.
All right.
First.
I'm sorry you caught us in the middle of a very business-like meeting
Yes.
today.
Because we had to do our planning for 2 weeks.
Yeah, and for tonight's great show. But before we get to that, let's introduce ourselves. Today, high atop the 48th floor, overlooking beautiful southeast Wisconsin and northern Illinois, because we have a beautiful clear day finally. It's gorgeous.
I can see into Chicago.
I know, it's amazing on the 48th floor of the Sears Tower.
You can see everything.
You should pull those grapes, by the way. Anyway, standing to my left, I've got the beautiful, the dynamic, the hashtag Miss Kira, all about everything, coming to you live from high atop the 48th floor, Miss Kira.
And to my right is the Mr. Wonderful Uncle Randy.
Old Uncle Randy, but I'm youthful today. I'm telling you, we're so excited because we had to do an emergency unboxing. It's very, very heavy.
I think you. It's a.
I turned it upside down.
I think you did.
I
I
did.
think we need to put this.
It says do not freeze.
Do not freeze.
I know. It says do not freeze.
Which way should we do
A
it?
penguin says do not freeze.
I like that. Can I have this as a sticker?
You can have it. Once you don't break those beautiful natural nails you got, Miss
Here.
Kira. All right.
I can't be frozen.
Now the cool part about it is in the Distillery Channel, we've been doing some pretty cool stuff, receiving bottles all the time from gift items.
Cool places.
Cool places. So anyway, we got in some bottles today, and it says you must be 21 years old to receive this package.
I don't know if you're old enough.
So anyway, we wanted to share it with you because we have no idea what's in the box. We
know
get boxes
it's
all the time because...
It's from Iron River.
What?
Iron River, Wisconsin, but we don't know who
Iron
it is.
River, Wisconsin?
Yeah.
I want to go there.
Where?
It's right next to Steel River and Copper River. It's just Iron River. It's a byproduct of the copper.
I can't even take you serious.
Anyway, in here we're going to open this up because it weighs about... Say it weighs about... Take a guess. Exactly.
It's wait. I think there's a couple boxes.
We don't know. But anyway, we wanted to share with you how our days go every day. Because what we're doing is that we are the world's finest and most unique boutique infused coffee organization that we're finally kicking off and coming out of behind the clouds with on the Distillery Channel coffee. I love this part because Kira has these fake nails that she can't sit and tear things apart because they'll pop off and probably put an eye out.
It's true. You do.
Very good, Miss Kira.
I do.
I used to be a sergeant. Hands of steel. Would you like these to dive into your... I used to actually be a physician, and I did...
Did you?
No. Just totally lying about that. Would you want these hands?
No.
Never.
Here,
I was a dentist.
See, I'm changing.
I'm telling you. This is crazy.
They wrapped it with care.
Tell you what. I'd like to see what their Christmases are like.
Be careful. Put the knife.
Let's turn it around.
Wait. I got it.
What?
Give me the knife.
Oh, this will be good. Oh, stand over there. Anyway, what we do is we have a lot of fun opening boxes because in here, there's going to be some beverage in here. We're a master roaster. And
we can open
it hides behind the curtain at all times. They won't even tell us how he does it. All I know is that we are getting the world's finest, made-to-order, best coffee beans from around the world. Master roaster showed me as of yesterday. Are you having fun?
Of course, I'm
We
trying
only
to
got an unlimited amount of time on this.
Wait, I got it.
You got it. Good Lord. Don't ever try to break out of prison this year. Just not gonna
I've never
happen.
been in prison. I don't know.
Jeez. My God.
Wait. No, stop.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
I keep. You're making me nervous.
There.
Oh.
Ow. God.
You do that.
What are you doing?
I'm not tall. You need to say.
Gee, stand back. Now the audience is coming in. They want to see what's going on.
There.
It's like the magic show in downtown Lake Geneva. Good Lord. Okay, ready? Okay, don't drop it. Don't drop our baby.
I'm not.
All right, one box down.
Should we open this one?
No, just leave it shut. Jeez. Good Lord. So excited.
I don't know what it is yet. Oh, wait, I got it.
There we go.
Woo! It's black mead.
I know it. This is from Winter White.
I know.
This is way up north. This is our friends. And actually, when you have twins, this is just going to be like the doctor going back in.
Sir, I've got some news for
Okay,
you.
so black mead is middle-aged, combining oak or black currant and honey to create a robust dry wine.
With Kira.
Yes. You want me to pull that one out? And
another
then
one.
there's a blueberry mead.
Blueberry mead.
I love mead.
Now we got another box. We've already had
How about you do
the
that one?
fertility treatments worked. So apparently,
Get out. Get out of here.
where'd our music go?
We're doing some.
1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go over.
Be careful. You want me to pull? Okay, you pull it out.
Not an HR moment. I didn't say anything. Nothing. Didn't do it.
HR is calling.
No.
Hello, HR?
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Peterson. If you have a complaint you'd like to file on yourself,
Okay. Woo! It's sweet mead.
Sweet mead.
The term honeymoon is referred to the tradition of giving the nuptial couple a moon supply of mead and to ensure
Nuptial?
fruitful union. Now you're gonna go there. Ooh, why is
Must be
that?
German.
Drink. It's Dawn Fire.
That sounds outstanding. Look
What
at the little
is it?
bottle that is.
I know.
Can I look at this?
Hold on. You look at those three. I'm looking at.
Look at these beautiful bottles.
That makes me nervous. This is a really
Anyway,
cool bottle.
this is really, really cool. This is a blueberry mead.
I love blueberry mead.
And this is honey wine with natural flavors.
That sounds
Good
awesome.
Lord. Blueberry mead. This is White Winter Winery, way up in Iron River, Wisconsin.
That is way up north.
We have been talking to these great people for a long time. We're very, very excited about getting these in because what we're going to do with this, so you understand, and really, really thank you so much. This is going to be an outstanding. This is going right to our master roaster. Going to be Friday. I'm going to personally deliver these because we've been waiting for these for a long time.
I'm so excited.
We've received about 175 bottles
That is amazing.
from our own personal collection and going around the country. And we've got some unbelievably exciting news tonight on the show, so you're going to want to tune in for that. But Winter White, this is really, really good. Look how beautiful that is. That is
No,
just, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hold it up against your white.
I
You
know.
know.
Or
We're both wearing white today. You know.
yes.
This is a honey table wine
Ooh,
with
honey
natural
table.
flavors. Natural flavors.
Ooh,
Unbelievable.
what's this? It's honey and black currant wine with natural flavors. This one is.
Yeah.
I love their graphics on their bottles.
Yeah, beautiful. Honey wine is said to be, this is on the back of the label for the mead, Said to be the oldest alcoholic beverage known to man.
That is true.
Yep. Mead was associated with wisdom, immortality, and fertility, Miss Kira. So be careful drinking this one. In virtually every culture of the world, if you know what I mean. I could slow talk this.
Please don't. We have to say that for
The
Friday.
term honeymoon, if you know what I mean, refers to the tradition of giving the nuptial couple a moon's supply of mead to ensure fruitful unions, if you know what I mean. So the winters are long up in upper Wisconsin, and I can understand
That you would have to drink some
that
mead.
you have to have some mead. These are great. I've had these actually. Our friend Bob Aldrich up there was the one that introduced us, and we've met with him several times.
I was going to say, weren't they in Madison last year?
Yeah, they've been around. We've
Okay.
met
I
with
was
great
gonna say.
people. So, anyway, we're really looking forward to this. We're going to have four
We can't
different.
freeze them. Don't
Four-
freeze. Don't freeze.
May I get a word in just slightly edgewise?
No.
Just, okay.
Okay, now you can.
Anyway, going further. What's going to happen with these? We're going to take these down to our master roaster down at California Street Coffee.
Yes.
And what they do is that they do a lot of research, and he has coffee beans from around the world that he sits and tests, and a whole bunch of things we can't tell you about how we go about doing it, how he goes about doing it.
Yes.
But what happens is that we take the delicate flavors and we wrap these into the world's best coffee beans. So when you get up in the morning and you want to have a nice fresh pot of coffee and you want to have some really great flavors, or after dinner,
I'm excited to try this.
what is that?
It's Drink Deep, Live Wise. That's the name of it. It's Northern Deer Spirits. It's Dawnfire.
Sounds awesome. Look at that.
Look. Wait. Now you can look at it.
No. Anyway, this is really, really cool. I mean, their labels are great. You might want to go online to White Winter, and this looks hot. This looks very cool.
I know. I like the bottle.
I know. It, wow. You got to read this label. We're going to save that one for the future. We're going to do a whole show. We'll call them up and have them come on one of our shows, and we're going to go over all these. But we're going to
Banana note.
Well, could be. Never know.
Banana
I'll have
notes.
to send some out this weekend. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is always a lot of fun. Yeah, Miss Kira. Yes. Bryson? Yes? Yeah, Miss Bryson? Bryson? Yeah, she's here. She's a professional entertainer this afternoon, but if you can hold on just a minute, we'll get to you. Anyway,
Oh my God.
we like dealing with certain guys from the PGA Tour, and we
Hopefully we'll be in Dallas in 2 weeks.
we have a call coming in right now. Anyway, tune in tonight, 4:30. Later, it can be on Apple iTunes. The
Yeah.
Happy Hour Golf Show featuring the world's best travel, golf,
And sipping
sipping, served with,
a twist.
and a hot cup of coffee. Anyway, tune in
Wait,
soon.
who's on the show tonight?
On the show tonight is going to be Mr. Tim.
Mr. Tim Bona?
Mr. Tim Bona, the world's best travel writer. Sitting to my left, sitting to my right is going to be the dynamic hashtag Miss Kira. We might have some wayfarer sitting around the table making noise. His name is Jason. Online, we're going to be having Chef Dave. Got some
Chef
big
Dave.
news coming from Avenel. The
We
TPC Potomac
do
Farm.
we have, is Art going to be on?
Art's on the show coming to us, the president of the
From Dallas.
Texas Golf Writers Association, and Mike Calvert, the golf doctor from Naples.
Yeah.
And the one we always love to hate, bringing up the end, big, huge announcement, and it
Yes.
isn't anything but big
Positive.
and fishy. Robin the Road going to be having a huge announcement. The
You
last
mean
segment.
he's in the Mississippi River right now?
I'm not saying. He's got big, 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 big,
Bigly.
news
Bigly news.
on our fifth segment with Robin the Road. So anyway, stay tuned. It's going to be a great day, and we're full of. Now we're ready to go. All these bottles do remain closed until they get to our master roaster. We do not taste test them here, and that's the truth. So anyway,
Right.
have a good day. Don't drink and drive. Always drink responsibly.
Yep.
For Miss Kira, this is old Uncle Randy.
Have a good one, you guys. Cheers.
Bye-bye.